Container port expansion, Sepanggar Bay, Sabah, Malaysia. All on land PVD construction completed. A core maritime logistics hub of the Belt and Road Initiative. The yard is reclaimed with marine sand. Deep silt layers lead to insufficient bearing capacity. Static PVD installation with steel sheet pile preboring adopted. Zero disturbance to subsoil. To adapt to Malaysia's harsh site conditions. The project solved 3 key construction challenges. 1. Heavy rainfall and waterlogging. Temporary drainage systems installed. Rainwater drained timely. To keep construction surfaces dry. 2. Intense ultraviolet radiation. To keep construction surfaces dry. Prevent PVD aging and damage. 3. Coastal salt spray. Regular mechanical maintenance. Comprehensive anti-corrosion protection. Ensure stable operation of all machinery. Zero safety incidents during the whole construction. Foundation settlement is fully controllable. SUNZO soft ground improvement technology. Applied in coastal construction sites across Southeast Asia. Support Sabah to build a major regional logistics hub. If you have soft ground improvement projects, subscribe to SUNZO for construction solutions and quotations.